Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make passive income in 6 steps with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to take you exactly step by step how to do this on Clickbank, but it can work on plenty of other platforms as well. So let's dive straight into it. Before we do that, cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and the different ways to do this, especially with affiliate marketing. So, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell because YouTube doesn't show the videos to many people, so make sure that you do hit that notification bell. Otherwise, if you subscribe and don't do that, it doesn't help very much. With that being said, let's dive straight into it. So the very first thing is you need to pick a product. So what you do is you head over to Clickbank, and I talked about this in my last video, so if you want more info on this, I'll just skip over it a bit. But on the left side of Clickbank, if you go to Clickbank and affiliate, then on the left side you have all these red buttons and you can click the one that's in your niche. When you've done that, there's all sorts of products that come up and you can choose the one that you want to promote. I won't go too much into detail because my last video, which was something like how to make big commissions with affiliate marketing or something like that, I'll try and put it in the description if I don't forget. And that will get you a real guide on how to do this on Clickbank, but that's not the topic of this video. So first you want to select a product, and you can do this just like I talked about. Then the next thing is you want to create a capture page or a landing page, and that's the thing that most people don't do, and that's the reason why most people fail at affiliate marketing. Well, at least a lot of people fail at affiliate marketing, is they don't do that. Because if you send somebody to your website just by putting the link in bio, which I do sometimes, or in the description, that's what I meant, then if they don't want to buy it, you've lost that person. But if they want to buy something from you, you can send them over and over again because you're collecting their emails. So if they don't buy the first time, you can send them another email telling them the benefits of it, and doing this a second time, a third time, a fourth time, and you can send different things. So this is very important if you're serious about affiliate marketing. Now obviously you're going to have some traffic to do this, and we will dive into that a bit later in this video. But the best way to do this is to use ClickFunnels, because that's just the best way to do it. You know, you create an autoresponder. It's the most simple and efficient way to do this. They've got a ton of templates. Yes, you have to pay a bit of money to do this, but this is one of the best ways to do this. Next, you want to create an autoresponder sequence. And that is just part of the game. It's another thing that you have to pay. It's very cheap, however, so don't worry about that. And I recommend Bluehost. I think it's like $3.99 a month or something, so it's not that big of a deal, especially that you're going to make your money back if you do this. So what an autoresponder does is it sends out automatic emails. So emails that you've done previously, you say on the first day I want this, second day I want this, and third day I want this. You can go on for 7 days or so, or 8 days or whatever. It depends on who you are, what you want to do. But a good idea is to do it for more or less a week. And in these emails, what you do is you tell the people the benefits of that product, because they signed up to your email list, so they want to know more about it. They're interested in that product anyway. So if you send them more info on that product and the benefits of it, there's a higher chance that they'll buy it in the end. Especially that people need about 7 exposures to a different product to actually commit to buying it. And as I said, most people won't buy it on the first time, but they will on the 6th or 7th time. So the next thing is how you're going to get some traffic. You want to create a YouTube video, and this scares a lot of people out but you don't have to be in front of the camera. If you can be in front of the camera, do so, because that's probably the best way to do it. But you can just talk in your mic and have some pictures. You know, there's some animated videos that do very well out there. So I can't name like the different programs to do this, but there's some really cheap stuff out there that allows you to do some drawings on the screen and have an animated video that works really, really well. So if you don't want to do that, that's okay. You know, you can do that. You can do reviews as well. Reviews is a very good way to do it, because you can have two different affiliate products and just let people choose the one that they prefer and have them buy it. So you don't have to be in front of the camera if you don't want to do so. However, if you can get over the fear of like filming yourself, just do that, because it's going to work the best. If you don't want to do that, however, just like I said, there's some other ways to do it. So you're going to have to upload YouTube videos, and keep in mind that your first video will suck. Like my first video sucked. Like your favorite YouTubers' videos sucked. You know, all the famous people out there, like Gary Vee, probably his first video wasn't on YouTube, but I can guarantee you it sucked anyway. So don't worry about having your first video bad. Just put it out there and make the second one better than the first, and the third one better than the second, and so on. After a while, it really becomes a second nature to film yourself, or just to make a video if you don't want to film yourself. But you do need to put some videos out, and the first one probably won't work, and you know, it will take some time, but once you get it going, it's really a good way to do it. So that's how you get the traffic. You upload a video. However, if you don't optimize the video, there's no point in filming it. Optimizing the video is very important in YouTube. If you don't do that, like, there's no point in listening to everything that I just said. Like, you really need to optimize the video. So I'm going to give you a few tips to do this, because that's probably the most important thing, apart from actually taking action. And it's not that hard. The very first thing is you want to have the name of the title in your video. In the title of your video, you have to have the name of your product, because people are going to search for that, and if you don't have that, it's just not going to work. So you have to have the name first. Then in the description, you also want to have the name of the product at least 2 to 4 times. That's the best way to do it. If you don't have that, YouTube won't count you as much as they do. So if you don't have that, it just doesn't work. The next thing is kind of creating the video. It's not like after you film the video, but you have to keep it in mind that when you film the video, you also want to name the, like, say whatever you're talking about, because that will help you rank up so much more, because YouTube actually listens to your video. So most people don't know about this, but you do have to like name some keywords when you're actually filming the video. Just like I did at the beginning of this video, I just talked about the title, what the title was, I just renamed it and said what it was. You want to do the same thing, because that is going to help you rank up a bit more. So the next thing is you want to fill out the tags on the video. Tags are important when people search for you later on. So you want to have the tags that are perfect. And the way to do this is very simple. That's like a copy and paste thing. However, you do have to download a plugin. It's 100% free. I use TubeBuddy. I think there's another one that exists. Well, I'm pretty sure there is, but I can't name it. So I use TubeBuddy. And what this is a plugin that's 100% free. You download it, it works on PC or on Mac, and you can see the tags that people put in. So what you do is you go onto Google after you've installed TubeBuddy, you go over to YouTube, you type the name that you want to have on your video, and you just copy the tags of like the first video that comes up, because that's the video that people are watching. That's the one that ranks up. So if you do this, you'll have the perfect keyword for your video. It's like you don't even have to think about this, you just download that and then you just copy the tags of the first videos that come up. If like there's 3 tags, go on to the second one and copy the tags as well. That's what I do, and it's very simple. That's what like most people do. So TubeBuddy, download that, it's free, it's very easy to use. I'm not paid to say this, by the way. It's like, that's just the thing that I use. So obviously in your video you want to like give as much value as possible, but you want to have a call to action at the end of the video. So at the end of the video, what you do is you like say, if you want to learn more about this, just click the link in the description, and then that's where you have your landing page and people can enter their email. So obviously in the description, what you do is you put the link to your landing page. That's like everything that you need to know to make money in affiliate marketing. Now, before you say that this doesn't work, I've tried this and it just doesn't work, I want to let you know that it's not easy. You do have to put in some actual work. So like if your first videos don't work, it doesn't matter. If like there's 5 videos that don't work, it doesn't matter. You just have to put video after video after video, because that's when YouTube will actually notice you and start ranking your videos. Before that, it's going to be hard. Your videos will suck. YouTube will not be very helpful to you. So you just have to like stay consistent and put some work in. That's the only way that you do it. So if you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment, because I'm always interested in what you have to say, what value you got from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.